Hi everyone, I'm Cai Xinyu. Today I will introduce you marine affairs and local revitalization. And these are my contents. My contents include 4 parts. First, connotation of marine affairs. What are marine affairs? As a minimum, it should include marine biological resources such as fishery management, marine non-biological resources such as mining development, and marine environmental protection, and so on. And they all require both a macro governance mechanism and inter-regional joint governance in many regions. And in my presentation, I will focus on marine environmental protection. And next part is the importance of the ocean. The ocean's circulation has a function of the global constant temperature, and the hydrological cycle directly affects the climate change. And it creates huge and renewable water resources so that humans can obtain inexhaustible water resources and energy. Next part is problem of marine environment. First, marine pollution. Until now, we have even created a super plastic continent. This super continent is also known as the Pacific Garbage Belt, which refers to a giant garbage collection area in the eastern Pacific from the U.S. states of California to Hawaii. No matter how small the plastic garbage is, it is still difficult to break down. And these fragments may be taken up by marine life and enter the biologic chain, which will eventually affect humans. Next is climate challenge. Oceans absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide from the air due to human activities. The temperature of the ocean has risen as a result. First problem is coral reef. The life on Earth is suffering from climate change. Even by the end of this century, the global coral species diversity will disappear. Corals may be whitened below 18 degrees or above 30 degrees. Corals in Australia's Great Barrier Reef are facing the worst bleaching in 15 years because of rising sea temperatures. Corals are undersea tropical rainforests and biological havens. Once they disappear, the consequences will be unthinkable. And next, I will introduce the local revitalization. And the example I give is the marine conservation volunteers in Penghu. And the problems they are facing is the fishing nets problem. Fishing net is very strong, and fishermen often lose their fishing nets or leave them in the ocean. It can easily trap fish, dolphins, sea turtles, and other organisms. Other fishing nets and rocks that sink into the ocean floor can easily cover coral reefs, causing corals to bleach. And eventually corals will die due to loss of loss of nutrient supply, which will affects marine fish and creatures. And the volunteers take are investigating the health index of coral reef and remove abandoned fishing nets. And next part. In class, teacher introduced us an activity which is let's to protect the ocean in Penghu. So I also want to introduce a nice organization to you, and this organization is called Rethink. And Rethink. What kind of organization is Rethink? Rethink is an environmental organization with cleaning beach as its core. In 2013, they held the first round beach cleaning around island, using the power of the online community to call out thousands of people, and successfully opened the topic of the masses. But the founder didn't want this to be a one-time pyrotechnic campaign, so they have been doing it for several years. And next, I introduce the founder and their philosophy. And this is Huang Zhiyang, and this is Daniel. And Huang Zhiyang originally didn't care about environmental protection, but he was inspired by his colleague Daniel. Daniel is an extremely environmentally friendly person. And once he posted the story of Daniel's visit to Xiaoliuqiu to clean a beach on his personal Facebook. And this foreigner who loved Taiwan caused a lot of response. In order to turn this hit into a more specific and longer-lasting action, Huang Zhiyang and Daniel decided to co-found Rethink. And their philosophy is to encourage everyone to rethink and change their lifestyle after cleaning beach. And next is how will Rethink strengthen the emotional connection between people and the ocean in the future. And Huang Zhiyang says that some experiential activities are planned, such as eco-tours, so that participants can have more connection with nature and animals in addition to clean beaches. Most people living in the city most people living in the city don't know how their behavior affects the environment. Therefore, Rethink hope that through the story of a character in the ocean, they can touch people's feeling and let everyone understand their impact on the environment better. And in conclusion, I think we can learn the spirit of Huang Zhiyang and make the environment better and the ocean more beautiful. Thank you.
You just mentioned about the rethink, right?
Yes.
Rethink, but this rethink must, I guess, it's create online. You say online. That's create a website and then publish it to all citizens can get on the website to see the information. Is right? We think this say it's online. Is right? I'm not sure. It's a website. Is right? Or
it also has activities.
include the activity.
Yeah, yes.
But yeah, I know I understand this. It's a purpose. It's a one to there's some what to say hold some activity, some information for the people can understand what they do will affect environment, right?
Yes, yes.
But my question is you must have some how to say that? Maybe you can create some website, okay, on the www website, and then encourage someone get on your site. You can get the information. I mean, how to attract students, how to attract the people, citizens, to get on the connection, get on the internet and on the website. Do you think about this question? No, you know what I mean? My problem. You can okay. Maybe because the time is long out. You can short answer in Chinese. I'm not sure you understand my problem or not. Yeah. 对对。It's not easy to answer it, right? Yes, I guess every kind of activity you must give some do some about the advertisement, okay? Advertisement, understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
that's not easy to. Maybe you establish some social media, okay? Social media to ask, but of course you can put some films on the YouTube.
Oh.
Is right? That's another. But I guess it's not easy, okay? Because for me, I don't interest in the topic. I will not. If you ask me, unless someone, my friend, told me, okay, this please click on this button, get on this website to see what is that, or I cannot. I'm not interested about it. Yeah, that's the difficulty about. Okay. Next one.